Hello everyone, welcome back for another video on the channel. And today we are going to be unboxing these guys, the Sony WHCH720N. So I'll be calling these the 720Ns from now on because that's just a mouthful. I'm not going to read all that. And I've been using these headphones for well over a year now. Not these headphones exactly, but these guys. So these are actually the same headphones, but in blue, and I've been using them for about a year now. I got the opportunity to unbox another one. So I guess I'll be doing an unboxing. I'll be showing you what you get in the box, what the packaging is like. This isn't going to be like a full review, but this will be an overview. So if you're considering buying these, you'll get to see what's inside the box and get an idea of what to expect. Let's get started. I can barely see the box. Okay, so we're gonna reorient. So you get your pretty standard Sony packaging, nice white, and shows an overview of the features on the back right here. Some of the buttons and the controls. All pretty standard stuff, and basically to unbox it, I think you just slide it out like this. Nope, never mind. So then once you remove the cover, you get this very nice, very clean, minimal Sony packaging, and I'm like, wow, this is really cool. This is really neat. Now we just open it up like this. All wrapped up. And there are your WH720N Sony headphones. We're going to set those aside for now. I'm going to see what's in the rest of the box. So it's pretty straightforward in here. You get the instruction manual, a very short USB-A to USB-C cable, and an aux cable. And that's it. So you do not get a carrying case or any other accessories like you would with the higher end headphones, but we do have to keep in mind that these are in the mid-range. So for what you're paying, these are pretty solid. So these headphones are made of a cheaper plastic, but this ensures that they'll be a very light fit over your head. And I think these are Sony's lightest headphones. And of course, these open up so you can adjust for various different sizes. So you got your mics for noise cancellation, your USB-C port, your power button, aux cord. So this will actually allow you to use these headphones as wired headphones while also having that Bluetooth functionality. So you can choose to use them as Bluetooth headphones, no wire, or you can use this cable and have wired headphones, which is pretty neat. But we don't care about these cables for now. We're gonna set these aside and let's take a look at the star of the show. Buttons right here, volume up, volume down, pause, and then your active noise cancellation. So you have the ambient sound mode, which lets you hear all your surroundings. You have the noise cancellation mode, which blocks out as much noise as possible. And then you have off, which is basically, well, there's no effect. There's no transparency effect. There's no noise cancellation effect. It's just what you'd hear if these were just playing sound and they weren't doing any other processing. So yeah, that was a quick hardware overview of the Sony WH720Ns. Very comfortable little headphones, super lightweight. Honestly, a pretty good value, especially if you can find them on sale, so highly recommend them. Thank you for joining me for the unboxing. I'll probably be making a review of these cans at some point, so be sure to stay subscribed for that. And that's kind of it. Be awesome, stay techie, bye! Today we're going to be unboxing the Sony the WHCH720Ns. What a mouthful.